My name is Alga Novaliana Putri. Here presentation about Love the Earth by reducing plastic waste. Any question for you? 1. Do you still use plastic waste? 2. How often do you use plastic waste? 3. Do you know the amount of plastic waste in Indonesia? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. Indonesia is one of the largest plastic waste producing countries in the world. Even Indonesia is second largest in the world. According to data from NPAP, Indonesia produces around 10 million tons of plastic waste per year. Not only that, according to data Sustainable Waste Data, the recycling rate of plastic waste in Indonesia is only around 9 until 10% per day, while there are 11 kilograms of plastic waste produced, but only about 2 million kilograms are managed properly. If this problem countries, the amount of plastic waste in environment could reach 12 billion tons by 2050. The amount is very high and can great impact on environment. Not only that, the World Economic Forum states that 32% of plastic waste in will populate in the land and ocean. Come on guys, start making small change that is different to reduce plastic waste. Step by one. When shopping at the market, carry a personal bag. Most of the shopping centers have started to apply regulation regarding plain plastic bag, but there are still many people who are willing to spend their money to keep using plastic bag. It would be nice if we could bring a shopping bag made of strong fabric and can be used continually if we are going to shop again another time. That's why the kid and startly reduce the use of plastic bag. Step by 2. Bring a water bottle. Every year there are about 20 billion plastic bottles in the trash. By bringing a personal water bottle when traveling, you are helping to reduce the use of plastic waste. The drinking bottle that we bring ourselves are also beneficially safe to use over and over again, unlike packaged bottle plastic. Step by 3. Recycle waste. From now on, we can first choose plastic packaging you buy goods in the market, whether the plastic packaging can be recycled or not. To make it easy for you to sort out the product, you can check under plastic packaging if it's high one pack. If there is, the message can be recycled by recycling company. Step by 4. Choose cone when giving ice cream. It's not that very simple thing. Have you ever thought that very activity of buying ice cream can have an impact on environmental demands? If you buy ice cream, sort the ice cream by cone, not by cup made of plastic. Those are some ways that can reduce plastic waste. The why can are practical in our daily life. It's not that very activity close to us. It's problem the plastic is very close to our daily life. So beware in the use of plastic. Plastic that have been produced since decades ago still hurt. How long will it take us to fill up plastic because of enrichment? Let's contribute to producing plastic waste, starting for ourselves, that we can invite people around us to make the earth better place. If not us, the younger generation, who will. Thank you for attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.